We listen in the car when we are out with friends while doing our homework. Listening to music is something that we all love doing. You can listen to music anywhere. But here's the big question. Did you make money the last time you listened to music? I didn't think so. What if there was a simple button on your phone that paid you money every time you played your favorite song? And yes, this does exist. If you stay tuned to the rest of the video to find out how this actually works, I will show you some bonus websites so that you can maximize your earnings. But before we proceed, don't forget to smash the like button and comment down below what country you are in right now. Because in this way, I will be able to create videos specifically for your country. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get started. First of all, go over to this website. It's called playlistpush.com. This is the website where we can earn $12 by listening to music. Here you can see connecting artists to playlist curators. They help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist creators a way to discover new music. Now let me show you some statistics. There are over 970 creators worldwide making money on this website. Big brands like Medium, Fortune, Hypebot, and CD Baby have featured this website. You can see here the testimonies of many people worldwide saying that they earn a lot of money online using this website. This shows that this website is 100% legit. I want you to click on this. Learn more about becoming a creator. Once you do that, you will land on this page. Here you can see discover new music for your playlists. Get paid to review songs. They pay you to listen and review songs. If you like them, you can consider adding them to one of your playlists. Qualified playlist curators can earn up to $12 per song review. Request a payout at any time. They pay directly to your bank account. All you have to do is click on this sign me up button right here, then create an account, and you are good to go. Now move on our next website, which is called hitpredictor.com. This website gives you the power to include the new music before it's even released. The company works with record label radio stations and even band managers. They basically ask you to provide feedback to the song you listen to every time you give feedback. The website will give you points to cash out for a gift card or cash. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell. If you don't want to miss our upcoming videos,